We've been married 37 years, and we dated 5 years before that. So together like 42 years.
We're Bill and Mary Gerber. We're from Southern California. We met in high school. Mary's had MS for 28 years, and she's needed assistance for the last 5. So we've been looking for quite some time. This fits our lifestyle. It fits the way we move, the way we travel, and just the way we feel we want to look.
It was hard for me to accept the fact that I had to have a mobility scooter. I was looking for something that was younger, that didn't look like this old person on this scooter, and this is exactly what I wanted, that made me feel more comfortable. I think it's fashionable, it's sleek, it's just a cool design. I just fell in love with it, and I just think it's just absolutely changed my life. It's amazing.
ATTO transforms very quickly. I can now do it in less than 6 seconds. When you go to an airport, people do not believe that this full-size scooter will fold up into a pull-on bag, and we carry it right on the plane.
I can go to any nice restaurant, and it just folds right up and comes to the table. It just makes me feel more comfortable.
I've literally walked next to this ATTO for 12 miles, purposely trying to run the battery out.
I've had it in San Francisco 4 times this year already.
Chicago, we've been to New York,
Every
we've been
major
to Austin,
city.
We've been to Seattle, we've been to music festivals. So yeah, we're taking it wherever we go.
And I feel like I can just go anywhere.